Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Reality versus expectation. Be like, sometimes our imagination creates a blockbuster movie, but reality delivers a behind-the-screen bloopers reel. One, starting a fitness journey. Expectation, I'll become a super fit in 1 week. Reality, day one ends with a very long nap. Reason, big goals takes time and consistency. Two, cooking a fancy meal. Expectation, restaurant quality, masterpiece. Reality, the smoke alarm becomes the loudest critic. Reason, practice makes progress. Three, taking a perfect selfie. Expectation, magazine cover photo. Reality, one eye is blinking and the camera caught the ceiling fan. Reason, timing is everything. For cleaning the room, expectation, finish in 10 minutes. Reality, 3 hours later, you're looking through an old photos. Reason, distractions are powerful. 5, playing a new game. Expectation, I instant champion. Reality, tutorial level says try again. Reason, skills take time to develop. 6, checking the weather. Expectation, sunny skies all day. Reality, surprise, rain arrives like an invited guest. Reason, nature loves surprises. 7, quick shopping trip. Expectation, in and out in 5 minutes. Reality, you leave with snacks you never plan to buy. Reason, temptation is everywhere. 8, going to bed early. Expectation, 8 hours of perfect sleep. Reality, suddenly you're watching videos about penguins at midnight. Reason, curiosity never sleeps. 9, baking a cake. Expectation, perfect baking display. Reality, it looks unique and unforgettable. Reason, every expert started as a beginner. 10, singing your favorite song. Expectation, concert, superstar. Reality, the family pet looks confused. Reason, enthusiasm and talent grow at different speeds. 11, learning something new. Expectation, instant expert. Reality, step 1, creates new 10 questions. Reason, learning is a journey. 12, vacation planning. Expectation, every moment, perfectly organized. Reality, the unexpected moments become the best memories. Reason, flexibility creates adventures.